Hello there guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about best two cryptocurrencies to buy before altcoin season. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Before altcoin season, these are the best two cryptocurrencies to buy. 1. Binance Coin. As the native currency of the Binance ecosystem, Binance Coin is one of the best cryptocurrencies in terms of how it has changed in price and how long it has been around. The Binance ecosystem, which is made up of the BNB chain, formerly BSC, and Binance exchanges, is one of the biggest crypto markets in terms of trading volume. If you trade a cryptocurrency on the exchange, you will save money on trading costs. The exchange is used by more than 30 million people. And as more developers and DApps join the BNB chain, the Binance ecosystem will grow. As a consequence, BNB's price will rise. BNB coin has taken a lot of damage over the past few months. This is where the vast majority of the Bitcoin market can be found. The support for the asset has been kept at the same level and it is showing clear signs of being resilient. Based on these facts, BNB is one of the two best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Solana. Solana is one of the blockchains that works the fastest, which makes it a good choice for investors. The third generation architecture makes it possible to do 50,000 transactions per second. Since it was first released in 2019, the number of people using the decentralized application ecosystem has grown dramatically. Solana had a wonderful year. Investors are excited to see how it compares to market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even though the market is in turmoil right now, investments in Solana have actually gone up in value. Many people who like cryptocurrencies say that Solana is the biggest threat to Ethereum. Ethereum can only handle 14 TPS of data at the moment, while Solana can handle 15,000 TPS. Even though Ethereum switched to a proof-of-the-stake consensus mechanism to lower gas costs, Solana still beats Ethereum in terms of transaction speeds and prices. Solana is therefore a good buy before altcoin season starts because of this. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.